Hello my friends, welcome back to the old stomping grounds here on Modern Regimen. It's me Chris, and today is going to be a short episode where I basically will share glimpses of my process when it comes to crafting leather goods. And in this case, I'll be making a standard men's billfold wallet. Aside from graphic design, I've also learned the skill set of crafting leather goods by hand. Strangely, it's a skill that I wanted to learn one day when I woke up out of the blue, and to be quite honest, I am thankful for that because it's actually taught me a lot. It reminds you how gratifying it is to make something from scratch with your own two hands. That said, since leather crafting and everyday carry go hand in hand, I'll try and give more insights in future videos about how I got involved with leather crafting, along with showing more in-house glimpses of the process when I'm crafting or creating a project. And so my friends, I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know what you think of it. If you'd like to see more content like this in the future. It's December 28th right now. This will be the final video of 2019. I'll see you guys next year. And remember to always follow your regimen. Peace.